Hostkey is an internet service provider. We have cloud hosting, equipment lease, we have co-location service, we have high-performance DPU servers in action, we have tailor-made solutions, we have every hardware solution you can think of. We have our toolkits, we translate our client needs, we have 24/7 service levels, we have teams for engineering and solving your problems. If you take, for instance, our GPU training facilities, which are at about the same training levels, but 10% of the costs you would have made on Google Cloud. We specialize, although we're global, European Union, the Americas, and China is a very big growing market for us.
In regard to our customers, we mostly cater to the mid-sized and larger companies. Our specialists can set up clusters, private clouds, and much more in order to accommodate any project at hand. We also offer assistance with migration, and lately we've been putting a lot of focus on GPU solutions that can be used for any task that requires high computing power, such as video rendering and machine learning. In general, we aim to provide a customized solution for any client, regardless of the size of the project.
We always follow the latest trends and we listen to our customers' needs. So when we first learned about cryptocurrency payments and people transacting from all over the world, we immediately thought about our old neighbors, BitPay, because they make cryptocurrency payments possible with all the regulations kept in mind. So we contacted them, and nowadays we partner up with BitPay to provide cryptocurrency payments for all our customers. That's how we serve many customers from all over the world, and they can pay in cryptocurrency.
BitPay is the largest blockchain payments processor in the industry, and what we predominantly do is allow businesses to accept cryptocurrencies as a method of payment from their customers and then settle these businesses in their own local currency like Euro, USD or GBP, while shielding them from the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. So this means that whenever a business requests a certain amount from its customer, this customer is able to pay this invoice using cryptocurrencies, and we then, being BitPay, settle this merchant the next day the asked amount in its preferred currency like Euro, dollar, onto the company bank account.
Hostkey started about 10 years ago, which, by the way, BitPay also did, and there are more coincidences on that, because BitPay was also in the same small building where we rented office space. So we both were companies dreaming of becoming big, and now, as a fact, we are both global players. So we have had a connection with BitPay as from the start.
BitPay has been doing this since 2011. We're the oldest cryptocurrency payments processor in the industry. We process across a lot of different industries. We do this for big names like AT&T and Microsoft, but also in niche markets like the hosting industry, where we process for merchants like Hostkey.
The privacy of our customers is very important to BitPay. Just like financial regulations, the privacy regulations is something we take very seriously in BitPay in Europe and in the US. In the last year, we have a dedicated in-house data protection officer. As the data protection officer, I have given wider training to the organization in regards to privacy. We deal with the data requests diligently as they come in up until they are completed. We work with internal and external counsel to ensure we are up to date with the ever-changing regulations.
Compliance is BitPay's top priority. We firmly believe in doing the right thing, whether it is for a customer, our merchant, or the regulator. Working with law enforcement authorities and regulators is very critical to BitPay, and we take it very seriously. Last year, for instance, we responded to roughly 800 law enforcement requests from all over the world.
The borderless and international aspects of the internet and therefore hosting, they don't go well with the limitations and the high fees that international money transfers have. Cryptocurrencies are just as borderless as the internet and therefore are perfectly suited for industries like the hosting industry. For this reason, we see that within the hosting industry, BitPay has a 10 to 30% share of checkout of the total volume of our hosting merchants. And on top of that, the hosting industry is a technical industry by nature, which has a great overlap with the cryptocurrency industry.
In the future for Hostkey, we are increasing our turnover. We are planning to be twice as big as we are now. And for that, we need new solutions, we need a new enterprise. We first have our liquid cooling system, which will be able to provide server facilities close to the proximity of clients, so they will reduce costs of cooling, they will have fast, easy access, so that's at least one of our focuses. Another one is on our GPU flexible systems. If you are into data science sector, for instance, then we have very good, very fast, cheap solutions. You get billed by the hour. So if you have these kind of tools in your box, then we think our growth path will be assured. So Hostkey has moved into a new office location at the end of last year, which is very well situated for us. It's conveniently close to Central Station. It has also parking possibilities at the Amsterdam parking, which is also next door, and we are very happy with it. It's up to our standards. We've got everything new, a bit of high-end and gloss.